will it be possible for me to know what you're thinking of?
Then if I tell you, then
No. Without telling, will it be possible for me?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Yes.
But technology
Yes.
nowadays is so developed that it can read people's mind.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna show you
So
something.
how is it possible?
I'm gonna show you.
It's a surprise.
So we can see here pictures. You can see.
Yes.
As we swipe, I think you're gonna see. So bro, just please hold the phone and just swipe, and when you see your picture, just stare at the picture, okay?
I should tear the picture.
No, just stare, just look at it.
Okay, stare at the picture.
Yeah, just hold this and just swipe, and if when you see your picture, just swipe, and when you see your picture, just stare at the picture. Stare it. When you see your picture, just stare at it. Just stare at it when you see it.
Okay, for example, if I have looked at the picture,
Yeah.
can I remove my eyes, or
Yeah.
do I need to keep my eyes directly to the particular
You
thing?
can look away, but just stare for it for at least 3 seconds.
Okay.
Look at it for at least 3 seconds. The picture you thought of, and just
Okay.
3 seconds, and
Okay.
you can keep your eyes away if you want to.
Okay. Okay. I'm done.
And that's okay. Just look at it. Look at it. Don't do anything. Just look at it. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Watch something happen.
Okay. Oh my God! How did it happen? Something happened here.
New technologies reading people's minds.
What? How did you do that? What is it? It's great. I'm surprised. Oh, it is red in color. Hat.
Heart and sort of heart, right?
Yes.
That's not the clubs.
This is not a cat.
That's not the clubs. So watch 1, 2, 3, done. Change.
How? How? How did you do this? No, I wanted to repeat it again. Again. Something happened now. What did you do? What did you do? What?
This is called.
No, can you just do it again? Because I can't believe this.
Let's try something different this time. Okay?
Yeah, something different.
Something different. Just pick a card. You're gonna sign it. I can see it as well. Just pick
You
one.
can see.
Yeah, no problem. Just pick one card. Just
But
pick
can I
one
look at?
card.
Can I hold this card once more?
Yeah. You can, and just pick one card. Just you have to sign one card. I think no problem.
Okay.
You can pick which one do you want?
Hold this card first. Wait.
5 of hearts. 5 hearts. I just sign
Wait.
it at that. No, you didn't.
Wait.
No, it wouldn't sense. Just sign it. Just sign it on the face. I will show you something. Yeah.
Okay.
Happy?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Bro, show that.
Bro.
Happy? Happy?
Okay.
So we're gonna take this and I'm gonna slide it about in halfway down, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not in bottom and it's not on top.
Okay.
Right? Watch
Okay.
this. I'm gonna make it jump on top. Watch 1, 2, 3, done.
Sorry.
Wanna see it again?
Can you do it again?
Yeah, I'll do it again. Watch.
Maybe
Slower. Watch.
Maybe you did something.
Slower. Watch. Yeah. Yeah. Watch, I'm gonna make it jump on top. 1, 2, 3. On top. On top.
I know.
On top, yeah.
What is this? Again. Repeat this one. Repeat again. This particular one. Can you do it again? This one. Can you do it again? Can you tell me, please? Can you tell me what? Can you tell me what you're doing, please? I want to learn.
Hi guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel King Illusionist. Also click on the bell button to enable us to share notifications when a new video arrives. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share this video with all your friends. Find us on our Facebook page as King Illusionist. Also, leave a comment below to let us know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.